Imagine a tentacle that simply exists alone as a tentacle. I can do no such thing. You want that? How do we get up? Oh, I do not want to die down here. Ruined Atoll. Okay, you're adorable, but you're also targetable, so sorry about this. Didn't do anything. Except make me feel real guilty. Oh, right there, I bet. Oh. Hey! It's not an angry pouch, it's a pouch with a, like, meteorite? Got a flower and a meteorite pouch. Breakfast of Champions. Please let there be a save point campfire. Really like to not have to come back this way again. Let's treasure that way, but we're gonna go hid. We're not going there first. That was blowing at me. Oh no. Yeah, there's so many auto bolts. Like, how can Effigy? No. Effigy's that's a magic. It's what was it? Lure. So you probably put it down, they shoot at that instead. There's just so many of these dudes. I feel like I have missed something. By something, I mean the shield. Let's see if we can brute force this guy. No, 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 me first, me first. Thank you. That's the watch. So by this, right here, there's a door. Thank you, map. Wait, there we go. You got some plant. Eat it, and you'll be plant-like. Full of fiber, probably stamina. That makes sense. The red berry gives you your health. Green plant gives you your stamina. Leave me a... Okay, you're gonna come all the way over here with me. Fine. Well, I reset you. Did we go in the old house since I got the key? We didn't. Offer. No. Don't know if they have other uses besides offering for money, but no. This has to be cheap, right? Yeah. Let me in. I don't believe that. Yeah. Okay, or not. Worth a shot. I had 9 of the things. long last. Yes, please. Bop. I have a shield. It is everything I've dreamed of. Well, now we can go wreck some auto bolts. And, ooh. Oh, that's like that other door I saw earlier. We don't know how to open those yet. Behind the waterfall? Yeah. Really? Oh, I was gonna say that whole time I could have gotten the shield back there, but no, because the gate was in the way. Well, now we have a lot of things we can do. By which I mean a lot of places we can go where we won't be murdered right away. That tooth. It's one of those things down there. Oh, hello. Ugh, I do not like that dangle thing. Yeah. Yeah, show all these skulls. Fine, you can stay. This is... Skelly friend. Nope. Nope, wait, something up there. Nope, okay, never mind. That is a you need a light source dungeon puzzle, and I am not attempting to do that without it. I pressed the wrong button. I pressed the wrong button again. That's the button. Okay. Danger. Yeah. There's a big, dark, scary thing over that way. Hey, look, I got one too. Now, did these guys level up their attack because I'm further or because I got a shield? Because normally they just did the one swing and then stopped. Oh, that shoots farther. I mean, I guess I knew it just shot forever, but I didn't think it would target me off screen, I guess. I didn't mean to swig the flask. I just don't remember what's what anymore. The shield is throwing all the things off. I spent so long looking for it. I didn't know what to do when I found it. You know what? You can come out of there. Alright, you. Ooh, okay, that does take a lot of stamina. Okay, wait, can you shoot me again? And then you hit the door. Oh. Oh, I thought I died. Yeah, our money for all the stuff I can't buy. Oh. Yeah. This is the well. Spooky time. No, page time. Oh. If you seek to increase your power. Oh. So you offer the like Fang, and then like level 1, 100, level 2, 150, level 3, 200, and you increase your attack, defense, HP, potion slots, potion uses, and then who knows what those do. How's that? Oh no! Health points. Dead. Alive. Flibbity flibbity. Ability, something about finding your ghost. We got a guarded knight. You can do it. Try to be this strong. 3 attack, 3 defense. Okay, potion and defense. But that's not attack. That leaf is a question mark. Did I miss any other pages while I'm at it? Nope. 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 Yeah, alright. We're good. That page, very important. Well, that explains what we do with all this money. Offer. This, right, so that's potion. So this should have a noticeable thing. Go from 1 to 2. Yes. All right. And that cutscene is cool. Dang it. The cutscene may be cool, but my ability to control things is not. Gift is accepted. I should hope so. And it tells you once you do it. Awesome. All right. Yeah, we know this is attack. Yeah, I'm not talking during those. Those are cool cutscenes. All right, what is mystery pink flower? HP. Now we'll save it. All right, that's looking good. Yeah, we're looking good. We got a shield, 2 attack, another health point. I think 2 uses out of our potions. In fact, yeah, let's just come and hit me, dude. We're right at the thing I want to find out. Do. No. That's not what potion means. Maybe only one of them. That's it, like, can you increase each one once? Oh, duh. It's how much the potion's gonna heal you for. Well, I feel a little dumb, but I figured it out. So, I guess under the well. So you enter in there. Go up, save point. Go up, there's a waterfall river thing. Go up and around, make your way around, go there, and then get into the boss room. Okay. Couldn't remember how to get to the well. And then I remembered I made a shortcut. Aw, you're kind of cute. Oh, oh, whoa. Okay then. You're less cute when you're exploding. Ah, stop that. Sir, you are getting less and less cute by the minute. Yeah, we're at the beginning. Our potion can heal us for more than we even got. Because our health is, what, 2? 1? Well, I mean, you have 2 by default, so it's like 2.5. Yeah. You. You drop magic that I can't use. Now okay. Now I know what to expect. And ha! Yeah. Always check behind the waterfalls. Okay, don't waste my full heal berry this time. Or I guess it was full heal before I upgraded stuff. Maybe it's only 2. Ooh, no rolling or running in the water. Can you run if you've already started running? Let's test for science. Okay, no. Yeah. Okay, so it's up there. It connects over here. What? Yeah, give me a page. Ooh. Okay. Husher. It's probably to the south. A friendly bird that loves to eat slorms. Oh, I hope he's not the guy I killed. Crabbo! It is a Crabbo friend. Crabbo and Crabbit. Crabbo has a hard shell, but Crabbit has pals. I guess that means, like, he has pals that'll hurt you? I'm confused, because, like, it has a hard shell, but he has friends. Envoy. More questions than answers. Little bird dootin' along with this thing. Cool. Alright, 1, 2, crossover, 3, 4. That goes to Frog's Domain. The Frog's Domain. Still in training, they take turns attacking. Well, that's nice of them. Grown-ups have hooks on their tongues. That's gross. Well equipped. Always tries to attack 3 times. That's predictable. A baby Snorm who can't spin yet, but is still useful. That's adorable. Magic Orb. I like the sound of Magic Orb. Still, that can wait. We've got a treasure to figure out. I'll have to get it later, I guess, unless... Anything? Anything? No. Later. Block. Stab. I forgot about that. And he... Oh. I might regret this, but okay. The developers have foresight into the nature of gamers. They know they would like to throw themselves off of cliffs at any given opportunity and prevent them from doing so. Good job, developers. Always check behind the waterfalls. Not just in this game, like, that's just like every video game ever. Always look behind waterfalls. Do that in real life if you can. Behind waterfalls are really cool. Loud and does weird stuff with the light. Don't know what that hiccup was about. I forget about their exploding. Yeah. Ah, the monies. Nothing there. Something's hiding over there. Really? I was just about to say I would bet money on there being a treasure back there the way this game is going. And I was wrong. So I'm glad I didn't actually say that. Yeah, look at that attack power 2 style. You ain't got nothing on me, auto bolts. That was fun. What were you guarding? Those lines indicating a secret passage? It's like the last big thing before the ruin. Yeah, they are. Ooh. Maybe a resurrection thing? Wrong button. Let's put it on. See what happens. So we can go in the water full of secret dudes. Let's get them on the same side. And okay, we can shortcut our way back. I think there was one. Hello, mild-mannered Minotaur. Tunic is amazing. We've got ourselves a sword. Got ourselves a bunch of crazy items. We've leveled up some stuff by burning them at an altar. And we spent a very long time looking for a shield. Probably about half the time was figuring out where the shield was. Now we are inside an old well that is full of cute slimes that explode and robots that shoot at you. Oh, those are not slimes. Those are scary. Well, now back to what we were doing. Figuring out what we're supposed to be doing. Yeah, you did. Oh, right. Tentacle water. Wow, you can't hit me when I'm healing. That's like against the law. Still against the law. Basically, any and every waterfall has a secret tunnel behind it, as waterfalls should. I don't want to go into tentacle water, but there's treasures. Okay, this one is easy enough. Ooh, it's making noises. I don't like that. We're about there, I think. And there's a skull there. Yeah, being a waterfall does require having a tunnel. It is in the contract. Ugh. But I have concerns that these tentacles might be reappearing on someone a bit bigger. For being an instruction book that you can't read, it is pretty useful. Any tongue guys? Yeah, there's some tongue guys. That's new. Ooh, that's an offering. Oh, that's defense. Imagine a tentacle that simply exists alone as a tentacle. I can do no such thing. There is no lone tentacle. They don't exist. But maybe in this game. What? This is the room in the instruction book, right? Yeah. Right there. There should be a path. Here. We'll fight the boss. Then we'll worry about the treasure. What? Oh, okay. Not a boss. It's the lantern. So earlier, I found a room that was the dark tomb or something like that was completely black. And now we have a way to light it up. We've been here but below. Is the path below? I can try. Running out of bombs, but this is gonna be the boss then. Well, could be a congregation of dudes at least. And bow. Sit in the throne, please. I can't sit in the throne. Another page. Might not have been a boss at all. Under the well. And beneath the earth. Yeah, the Dark Tomb. So, this is like where we came in, and I started going this way, I think, and then there was a glowing eye that started attacking me, so I ran away, because I had no light. I don't know what this bit's all about. Guess we'll have to explore and find out. Okay. Oh. Yeah. This was the Dark Tomb. Treasure. Womp. I could do that all day. Just feed things into the offering pit. Fire. Well, now that we have a lantern, let's go investigate that treasure. In fact, I know I made a shortcut. Where is it? Here it is. Maybe we will see something we didn't see before. Okay, well, let's go into the Dark Tomb. Well, it's still pretty dark. Oh, hello. You're a skeleton that's not a friend. Ooh, hello. So those must be the spikes, or are those the skeletons? Either way, batter down. Stuff with the skeleton skulls in there. Okay. Alright, yeah, those are the spikes on the map. Now, whoa, hello. Ugh. Oh, touch two magic skulls. Maybe. Hell. Oh. We can go up here. So it's... Here we go. Ooh, another ability. Ring, sword. So we know this one makes enemies drop health. This one we're not sure about. I don't know why I'm saying we. Me. Me and the little fox guy. I think it might be a resurrect on death. I mean, it's got the halo. let's see what this does. Probably more attack damage. I guess oops. Before I get too far, I can try go offering a gold coin to the wishing well. Alright, and hup. Achievement, nothing happened. Well, I know your secret. Guess I don't have enough yet. Okay, back to the dark and scary spike tomb. Who put spikes in their tomb? Also, was it called Dark Tomb before they built, like, as they were building it? Were they calling it Dark Tomb, or was it after they built it? They're like, here's Tomb, and then they're like, oh man, this is pretty dark. Well, let's call it Dark Tomb. The name came first, so they were building it for General Dark of the Dark Brigade. And it just also happens that they didn't have any torches left when they built the thing. That's my headcanon, and I'm sticking to it. Okay, map. So, the thing there to press goes over there. This... Alright. So we need to go the other way, so we're going this way first. That is true. It is not like Deep Nest from Hollow Knight. The spiders were in the forest, not in the Dark Tomb. We already dealt with those guys. Firebomb. Ooh. Yeah. That makes 3. Give me another potion. Do. Can do it. I can't do that. Okay, never mind. I take it back. I'll go the way I'm supposed to. Eat. What does it want me to do with this statue? It's like the hands. There's a treasure, yeah. Oh, you're a big boy skeleton. I can try a bomb. I do like money. Oh. Or maybe it wasn't saying statue, it was saying behind the statue. Yeah, gold coin. Okay, I don't want to accidentally throw it away. So. Yeah, since that lines up, oh, right where the thing was. All right, oops. Squiggle, squiggle, squiggle. Got it. Oops. Yeah. Aw, it's another of your own heads. Gotta remember that I have those if I need more money for offerings. Whoa. That was neat. I've said it before, but I really like the art of this game. We're back in the Wubby Wubby room. I really wish I had gone in here the one time I could. I could have climbed up that ladder. Okay, defense. Nice. Hey, take that, Dark Tomb, indeed. That wasn't so scary. Go this way. Got it. Well, thank you for joining me. Little fox guy here. Bye, Miles. Whoa. You just helped me learn a secret. Apparently, if you double click your shield, yes, shield bash. Anyways, I was trying to wave. Thanks for joining us. The developers have foresight into the nature of gamers. They know they would like to throw themselves off of cliffs at any given opportunity and prevent them from doing so.